Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss something very interesting, which is install application button. So basically by default in your Android phones you'd see that there is an install application button which comes up. Now what this allows your customer to do is whenever they click it, the application of your website basically gets installed on their mobile application or mobile screen, so that they don't need to go to the browser and do that. All they need to do is basically click here and it'll get installed. But what if you want to hide it? Now for that all we need to do is go into your configuration, go into user experience and go into this one, which is your Android phone, this one, show install application footer. If I switch it off, it is on by default. If I switch it off, then this application, install application, will not appear. Now we always recommend you to keep it as it is, but in some cases you want that to go away. For that, all you need to do is do this. Thank you.